Alright guys, I got the Saturn Ion here. This is 2003. First of all, if your car does not start, what you're gonna do is this car, pretty much you turn the key, it goes clunk. That's all it does, clunk. Alright, you start it, it goes clunk. Alright, the lights are dimmed out, so the lights are not even working. So pretty much this is the positive right here. Alright, so you could put a jump box, connect it to here, you could ground it to here. Alright, find a good base. You could put it somewhere in the block, you could put it right there, negative, that'd be negative. Start up the car. Alright, if you hear clunk clunk, the starter is all the way down there. You do need to probably lift it up, or you could probably do it from right here. It's a little complicated. I would lift up the car, the starter's right down there, but the starter's not bad, guys. I ordered the battery. That's the battery that goes in this car. The battery, where's the battery? There's no battery here. Alright guys, so if you come across this car, if you have this car, the battery is in the trunk. I'm gonna show you guys. Just to let you know, it's a mess back there. I got my keys outside. I was gonna go grab the keys from inside the car, but it's a mess in the car, so ignore that, guys. There's nothing I could do with that. Every customer have their own ways of having their car. It's a big mess back here, guys. It's all good, it's all right. But the battery, if you lift up all these covers, is right down here, guys. To change this battery, all you need to do is, if I can hold this up and show you guys, it's gonna be a simple procedure, guys. You're gonna remove the 13, hold it on there, that's what's holding the battery down. You're gonna pull off this vacuum line right here, that's connected on both sides of this battery. All right, and you're gonna remove the 13 right here. All right, and this whole frame should come off, and then you're gonna take off the negative and positive, put in a new battery, and that should kickstart everything, guys, and you should be good. You should not have problem with this. All right, so it's gonna be a very simple procedure, guys. Take you 10 minutes to do it, and don't be afraid. I did let this car start up. I did let this car run for a little while. It should be good. But still, we're gonna change the battery because the customer have not changed the battery in a long time. All right, so once I'm done, I'm gonna show you guys. I might not be able to show you everything complete, but once it's done, I'm gonna show you the steps that I did. But I already showed you the steps, but once it's done, I'm gonna show you that it's done. All right guys, I'm all done, so let me show you guys what I did. All right, so this bolt on the terminal is number 8, and this is number 8 under this cover also. So, and this is 13. You do not have to remove the one that's on this cable. 13, 8, and 8. This vacuum line pops right up, this one pops right up, they work together, and just loop it around just the way it's going underneath here nicely. All right, make sure you take off the ground first. All right, and that way you don't by mistake touch the other one, drop it, because if you take that off and drop it, it's gonna short circuit on the ground. All right, so very simple. That's it, guys. The key to no start is check your battery power first. All right, so if your battery is dead, weak, not working, that's where the issue is, guys. Very simple. Don't go like this customer told me, bad starter. He wanted me to change the starter, but that was gonna get the car starting. But anyway, guys, this is done. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share and like all of my videos.